Now if I want to fill a color in particular cell, how will I do that? I will select the cell first, then I will select this button in the font, fill color. So whatever choice of the color you can select it from here. Okay, suppose you select the purple, see, as you can see the change of the colors of the cell change. Now if I want to switch to the next color, that is a blue one, the color of the cell get changed. Now if I don't want to fill the cell with a color, I want to change the font color. Okay, so how will I do that? I will click on the cell, then I will click on the A written over here, that is a font color. A choice again given to you, you can choose any of the color of your choice. For example, I am choosing this. I can switch to the another color if I wish to. Okay, so this is how we can change the color of the font and we can fill the color inside the cell. Thank you.